Hello friends! Today I am going to show you the recipe of veg sticky roll. So let's start. So the ingredients of my recipe are 2 cups of wheat flour, onion which is finely chopped, oil, some boiled and mashed potatoes, salt, 1 cup of grated carrot, some chili flakes, chaat masala, coriander leaves which is finely chopped, black pepper powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, some capsicum and cabbage which are finely chopped. So let's start. Now take a bowl and add 2 cups of wheat flour in it. Then add salt as per taste. With that, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes. Then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix them and now add water little by little to make a soft dough. My soft dough is ready and now I am going to grease some oil on it. After greasing some oil, I am going to cover it and rest it for 30 minutes. Till that time, we are going to make the stuffing. So in a bowl, add some boiled and mashed potatoes in it. With that, add some finely chopped onions. Then add some finely chopped cabbage. With that, some grated carrot. Now I am going to add some chopped capsicum in it. Then I am going to add some finely chopped coriander leaves. Then I am going to add different types of spices. So first, salt as per taste, red chili powder as per taste, black pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon, cumin powder half teaspoon and chaat masala half tablespoon. Mix it properly until everything combines. After mixing it, my stuffing is ready and now we are going to go to the next process. After 30 minutes, my dough is set well and now I am going to take a portion of the dough and roll it into a ball. I rolled it into a ball and now I am going to cover it with a layer of flour. Then I am going to roll it into a big roti. I rolled it into a big roti and now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of the stuffing on it. Then I am going to spread it up. I spread it up and now I am going to roll it into a tight roll. I sealed it tightly and now I am going to roll it into a thin roll. I rolled it into a thin roll and now I am going to cut it into small and medium pieces. I cut it into small pieces and now I am going to take one of the roll and press it gently. And my tikki is ready and now I am going to transfer it into a plate. So similarly, I made many tikkis and now we are going to go to the next process. Now take a pan and heat some oil and then add the tikkis in it. We will let them fry until they are golden brown and crispy. My tikkis are golden brown and crispy and now I am going to transfer them into a tissue paper. So the tissue paper will absorb all the oil. Transfer the veg sticky roll into this plate. So as you can see, it looks so yummy. So this is my delicious and tasty veg sticky roll recipe. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.